有水不？有水不？有水不？哎呦，慢点慢点！哎呦，慢点慢点，懂吗？叫我扶着，叫我扶着慢点！这个人往下走吧！哎呦我的妈！哎呀，太爬了，太不高！爬吧，这爬。现在我们在东太行，你看这个游客吓得都不敢走了。啊，你看看这个吓成这样了都。哇！走吧，不用怕。俺们。哇！你不要下手，你抢着，你拉我一把，
我把别
三毛，
你拉我一把，哎，你拉我一把，别撸了。过去了，你看一下。别！我血！你死吧！我你说了，动了。第四。
家人们好喝，家人们，小月碗喝，我抱你吧，爸抱你，小月在后面交杯。
我操！我操！哎呀，我走不了回家！
你妈，我晃死我了！
不行，快点！不，不行！不要我回去！我要回去！
China leads the world with over 2,300 glass bridges, transforming rugged canyons into showcases of engineering and courage. These transparent structures, suspended between sheer cliffs, are not just tourist attractions, but testaments to human ingenuity. Each bridge undergoes rigorous testing, from heavy trucks to sledgehammers, ensuring absolute safety. Below are 5 standout glass bridges, ordered by height and scale, that leave the world in awe. Suspended 300 millers above the canyon in Hunan's Zhangjiajie National Park, the 430-meter-long glass bridge was the world's longest and highest when opened in 2016. Its 120 triple-layered tempered glass panels, each 5.1 centimeter thick, support 800 people, and withstood tests with a 2-ton SUV. Designed by Haim Doten, it features the world's highest bungee platform at 260 meters. Building this bridge amidst deep gorges blending lightweight steel and glass is a staggering achievement. Visitors are thrilled and amazed by the scenery and the bridge's resilience. Spanning 410 at 218 m high, the Zhangjiajie Glass Bridge in Hebei is among the world's longest, opened in 2018. Its triple-layered 12-meter tempered glass supports 1,000 people with a slight sway for added thrill. 4 60-centimeter diameter steel cables anchor it to cliffs, ensuring maximum safety. Constructing a bridge nearly half a kilometer long between two peaks is an extraordinary technical feat. Walking across feels like entering a breathtaking, heart-pounding world. Stretching 526 cm at 200 meters high, the Huangchuan Three Gorges Bridge in Guangdong set the record for the world's longest glass bridge in 2020. Its triple-layered 4.5 centimeter tempered glass holds 500 people with striking red cable towers. Designed by Zhejiang University's Architecture Institute, it blends seamlessly with the Huangteng Gorge. Building a bridge over half a kilometer long in rugged terrain showcases unparalleled engineering. Visitors feel as if they're walking in mid-air, awestruck by the feat. Measuring 300 meters long and 180 meters high. The Zhangjiajie Bridge. Heroes Bridge in Hunan was a pioneer, opened in 2015. Originally a wooden bridge, it was upgraded to triple-layered tempered glass, supporting 400 people. Anchored by cables and steel frames to cliffs, it offers views of the Dachstein landscape. Transforming a wooden bridge into glass in such complex terrain is a remarkable engineering triumph. Visitors are both intimidated and captivated by this bold structure. At 238 meters long and 166 meters high, the Fangshan Bridge in Beijing or Yunqi Road curves like a silk ribbon inspired by the cowherd and Weaver Girl legend. Its triple-layered tempered glass supports 300 people secured by cables to the mountains. Constructing this transparent, safe bridge in Fangshan's complex geology is a significant achievement. It's not just an engineering marvel, but an artistic creation, leaving visitors spellbound. These glass bridges symbolize cutting-edge engineering, pushing human limits. From Zhangjiajie to Fangshan, each is a miracle blending technology with nature's grandeur, leaving visitors in awe.